In this video, we'll get a better understanding of the two issue types in JIRA. So in JIRA, just about everything is about sorting issues. There's stories, bugs, epics. They're all a type of issue. Now the terminology here is really confusing, but Atlassian boils down these issue types into two types of issue types. There's a standard issue type and a subtask issue type. So these are all of the issue types in JIRA that come by default. So there's bug, epic, improvement, new feature, story, task, and subtask. Now, by default, these six are what JIRA refers to as standard issue types. And then this one down here is a subtask issue type. So subtask itself is an issue type, but subtask is also a type of issue type. So that's why it could be a little bit confusing as far as the terminology is concerned. Just to kind of get a better understanding of this, there's the standard issue types. So bug is a standard issue type, epic is a standard issue type, improvement is a standard issue type, new feature, story, task, and so on are all standard issue types. And then there's a subtask issue type, and one of those subtask issue types just happens to be called subtask. So it's a little bit on the nose, but you can create whatever sort of subtask issue type that you want and call it whatever you want here inside of JIRA. Now, the way that these different issue types work in JIRA is that you're going to have your standard issue type that is basically the parent in the hierarchy, and then subtask, as you could probably guess, is going to be the child in that hierarchy. So, for example, let's say we have a bug standard issue type. So, bug is a standard issue type, and then subtask would live underneath that standard issue type. Same with story. Same with feature request. These are all just examples of the different standard issue types and then the subtask issue type beneath it. All right, so now that we have a better understanding of what the two issue types are, in our next video, we'll look at where we can create or edit them inside of JIRA.